Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn how to play SPLURT. It's a super fast, super fun word game where you've got to have quick wits to win. We'll get you set up and playing in just a few minutes, so let's dive right in. The whole game really boils down to this one simple idea. You've got to think fast and you've got to say it first. All right, so what are you actually trying to do in this game? Well, your goal in SPLURT is incredibly straightforward. That's it. Your one and only job is to snatch up more cards than anybody else at the table. The player who has the biggest pile of cards at the end wins. Getting started is really quick and easy, which is exactly what you want for a game like this. It's just 2 simple steps. First, just decide how long you feel like playing and grab a stack of about 20 to 40 cards. That's going to be your deck for the game. Then, give that deck a good shuffle and place it right in the middle of the table with the pink side facing up. And just like that, you're all set up and ready for the main event. So here's exactly how a round of SPLURT works. To kick things off, one player just flips the top card of the deck over, revealing its black side, and places it right next to the pink deck. So now you've got 2 active clues. The pink card that's on top of the deck, that shows you the category. And the black card you just flipped, that gives you the rule. Your job is to be the very first person to think of a word that fits both. So for this example, you need a city that ends in T. Someone's going to yell, Detroit. Everybody at the table is racing to be the first one to shout out a correct answer. Whoever manages to shout out a correct answer first, they win the round. They get to take that black card and add it to their own score pile. And listen, there is absolutely no downtime in this game. As soon as that card is won, the next player immediately flips a new one and the race is on all over again. You just keep playing like this, round after round, until the game ends. So the big question is, how do you actually win? The game stops as soon as there's only one card left in that middle deck. At that point, everybody counts up the cards they've managed to collect. The player who has the most wins. Now, this is a fast game, so ties can definitely happen. What do you do if 2 or more players have the exact same number of cards at the end? It's simple. The players who are tied go head-to-head in one final, high-stakes tiebreaker round. The winner of that single round is crowned the overall champion. Before you start playing, there are just a couple of other little rules you should probably know about. They handle some of those weird situations that might pop up. Sooner or later, someone's going to shout out an answer, and you might think to yourself, is that really a thing? Maybe it's a weird slang term or a name you've just never heard before. The way you solve this is simple. You vote. If the majority of players agree the answer is legit, it counts. And if the vote is a tie, well, the benefit of the doubt goes to the player who gave the answer. It's considered correct. Okay, so what happens if you have a stalemate? This can happen 2 ways. Either 2 people shout a correct answer at the exact same time, or everybody is completely stumped and no one can think of anything at all. In either of those cases, nobody wins the card. You just take the black card, turn it back to its pink side, and slide it onto the bottom of the deck. Then, you flip the next card, and a new round begins. And that's everything! You are now fully ready to play SPLURT. Just flip a card, and race to be the first one to shout a correct answer. Now go grab some friends and give it a try.